Remember the big story, however, which concerns the future of the country and as much for the young men and women. It's about the NEET examination. The NTA is ordered to publish the results of all the candidates by Saturday, complete with the details of examination centres. And while the hearing also was on in the case, here's a special report for you to understand what precisely has been now the hearing that the court will decide on the medical entrance exam.
The Supreme Court on Thursday directed the National Testing Agency to publish marks of all students who took NEET undergraduate exams to ensure transparency. The three-judge bench, led by CJ Chandrachud, ruled that the marks should be published city-wise as well as centre-wise. These details should be uploaded by Saturday noon. The identity of students should be masked. The centre-wise data will allow petitioners to find if there was any widespread leak.
सुनवाई के बाद कोर्ट ने नेशनल टेस्टिंग एजेंसी को एक डायरेक्शन दी है कि वो सारा का सारा रिजल्ट डिक्लेयर करे सिटी वाइज और सेंटर वाइज, ताकि पिटिशनर्स उस डाटा को भी एनालाइज कर सके, ये दिखाने के लिए कि इस एग्जामिनेशन में पेपर लीक हुआ है.
The Supreme Court also observed that the sanctity of NEET UG 2024 was breached. It added that the leaked question paper was destroyed before the exam. The paper was leaked for money and not to bring disrepute, the court added. The Supreme Court also observed that it seems far-fetched that the breach took place on the exam day. The apex court said that they cannot order re-examination unless the entire exam is affected. The NTA maintained that paper leak incidents were just isolated cases and opposed any cancellation of exam. Over 23 lakh students had appeared for NEET UG.
इसमें अगर कुछ और बढ़ोतरी होती है, वो और भी मैटर्स इसको सुनेंगे मंडे को, तो हम होप कर रहे हैं कि सीजीआई सर हमारे फेवर में डिसीजन ले.
सॉलिसिटर जनरल साहब ने खुद ही एडमिट किया है कि उनका ऐसा मानना है कि शायद 150 बच्चे ही इसके बेनिफिशियरी रहे होंगे. उसने अपनी स्टेटमेंट में खुद कहा. तो क्या 150 एक छोटा नंबर है? ये अपने आप में एक प्रश्न चिन्ह जो है सामने रखने वाली बात है.
Meanwhile, in Bihar, the CBI has busted a solver gang. 4 doctors from Patna AIIMS have been arrested and 4 students detained for questioning.
3 स्टूडेंट का नाम और उनका फोटो भी हमारे व्हाट्सएप में भेजे और इन्होंने बोला कि आप कोशिश कीजिए जैसे कि स्टूडेंट को आप हैंडओवर जल्दी आसानी से कर दीजिए. और 2 स्टूडेंट को वो आइडेंटिफाई किए और वो लेके गए. उसके बाद और एक स्टूडेंट उसी समय कमरे में नहीं थे. उसके बाद स्टूडेंट जाके इनको खुद रिपोर्ट किया.
The NEET UG irregularities had rocked the medical community and raised serious questions about the integrity of the examination process. The Supreme Court's order to release complete results should help to clear doubts soon. With Nalini Sharma, Kanu Sharda in Delhi and Shashi Bhushan in Patna, Bureau Report, India Today.